I'm Dr. Revathi, gynecologist. He is my husband Sundarajan, retired scientific officer from Department of Atomic Energy. He is my son Prashant, doing his online BS degree course from IIT Madras. Lift is a necessity in our house on medical grounds to provide accessibility to my son.
The operation is smooth and noiseless. Good features are convenient to use and it is very comfortable.
Being a home lift, it is expected to be operated by members of the family, not by any trained lift operator. Hence, safety is of paramount importance right from the time of selection. The most important thing is, in case of power interruption while ascending or descending, it is designed to bring the lift down with the help of battery power supply. Both preventive and on-call services are good. The customer relation team makes a schedule in consultation with the customers. Rest is taken care of by the field technicians. We are happy.
Now, my son has a dignified access to different places of the house. He moves to places where we find footprints.